a boat. A very big boat. And I am now leaving PP Island, and I am going back to the mainland of Thailand. So you can see there in the distance, there are lots of islands. Remember, an island is land surrounded by water. And there are some very beautiful views on this boat. The boat, as you can see, is very, very big. And we are going in this direction towards a city called Krabi, Thailand. And if you look here, you can see the flag of Thailand. The flag of Thailand is it's red, white, and blue, just like the American flag. And I have been on this boat for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and it looks like we have maybe about half an hour left before we land and we get back onto Thailand. And look here, I don't know if you can see, the captain of the boat is in the cabin here, steering the boat. Anyways, I just wanted to show you the beautiful scenery from this boat in the middle of the ocean. Isn't that cool? Okay, bye-bye.